Okay, thank you. So my name is Katie, and today I'll be presenting and introducing you to Syntegrity Biomedical, which specializes in biologically inspired devices for tissue augmentation and repair. So our mission is to deliver these biologically inspired solutions to patients so that we can restore patient mobility and also improve their quality of life. Our first product is a biodegradable graft that's meant to improve outcomes associated with ruptures at the tendon-to-bone interface, specifically rotator cuff tears. We think the rotator cuff repair market represents a $2 billion opportunity, and we've already received nearly $2 million in non-dilutive funding to date. We're currently raising $3 million in order to complete large animal testing, manufacturing scale-up, FDA approval, as well as first-in-human clinical evaluation. Rotator cuff tendon tears are the most common shoulder injury, causing significant pain and dysfunction. Nearly 600,000 rotator cuff repair surgeries are performed annually in the United States, but unfortunately, many of these repairs do not heal, or they re-tear within 3 months post-surgery, causing pain, decreased shoulder strength, as well as diminished clinical outcomes. Recent clinical evidence suggests that having an intact repair at the tendon-to-bone interface is necessary in order to achieve superior functional outcomes for patients. And so therefore, we've identified an unmet clinical need for a solution that provides functional repair of that injured tendon, which will ultimately reduce the high incidence of these re-tear rates, decrease the need for costly revision surgeries, and improve clinical outcomes for patients. So our product is a biodegradable biphasic nanofibrous scaffold that is implanted between the tendon and its native footprint and is seamlessly integrated into the existing workflow of the orthopedic surgeon during rotator cuff repair surgery. Existing technologies provide only temporary stability. They consist largely of patches that overlay the damaged repaired tendon. Their inferior mechanical properties and inability to facilitate regeneration at the tendon-to-bone interface have significantly limited their clinical use. So our Syntegrity graft mimics the underlying organization and structural design of this native tendon-to-bone interface, which facilitates regeneration by the body's own cells and environment, and ultimately is attempting to achieve this functional integration. The U.S. orthopedic soft tissue repair market is currently valued about $2 billion, and with our first product targeting the rotator cuff augmentation device market, we think this is about a $200 million opportunity. Based on our market research, we've seen that approximately 10% of cases are currently using these augmentation devices, but we do believe there's an opportunity to expand that market. This space has been relatively active recently in terms of acquisition, so I specifically want to point out the Rotation Medical product, which was recently acquired by Smith & Nephew in 2017 for over $200 million. So our technology is grounded in strong intellectual property, and the impact of our science has already been validated in both small and large animal models. So specifically, we've seen in small animal models regeneration of this fibrocartilage interface, as well as improved mechanical properties. And we've also seen in large animal models more organized interface regeneration. So what the critical milestones that we're looking at today is to achieve manufacturing scale-up, complete biocompatibility, and finish our large animal testing towards 510(k) clearance, and then achieve first-in-human evaluation. And we think the investment required for this is $3 million. We have experienced partners that we're working with, including a contract manufacturer to achieve quality manufacturing as well as manufacturing scale-up. We're also working with regulatory consultants that are helping to prepare our 510(k) submission, and we have strong intellectual property support. Our founding team has deep experience and long-standing relationships across engineering, business, and the clinic. I, in particular, am an expert in the area of proposed application for the study and been working in translational research and technology transfer over the past 10 years, and I'll be executing on the business commercialization milestones for the company. So in summary, you've heard about today Syntegrity Biomedical, which we're trying to deliver these biologically inspired orthopedic solutions to patients in order to restore patient mobility and improve quality of life.